Sermenamta and Mosi Ravenna and Irina Villamor taking care of this quarterfinal start involving Adamson and San Sebastian. Uy!
Yung paminsan-minsan nating naririnig itong si Makatuno sumigaw.
Parang, huy, may something sa bahay. Benting, halawi na tayo.
Angela Benting, that's her 20th point of the ball game. Pineda have 16, Soriano with 14, and Paan with 10.
Salita yung baby sa bahay. First word, hoy!
At least, di ba, yung ibig sabihin, magsasalita lang siya pag yung kailangan.
17-13, time out.
Palalayoin na yung apat na yan. Makadikit tayo, dikit-dikit. Bago mag-20, pigilin natin mag-20.
Hindi mo napapansin na yung bracket mo nandun. Hindi mo nakita? Bigyan mo ng presyo.
Ha?
Kailangan na iisip na yung age.
Tara. Prepesa kasi sa loob, ha? Tandaan mo yung trapol eh.
This was the play earlier. I like the fact that Makatuno just yelled out, parang ano.
May sunog. Ano bang tingin mo dyan?
Hoy, gising na. Hoy it's very derogatory and very, very condescending, but when yelled out at the right moment, it catches your attention. Trust me on
And
this
it's
one.
so Pinoy.
Pag sa abroad, ano tawag yung hoy!
General. Pinoy yan. Pinitingin.
Aside from psst, diba?
Well, kanina I mentioned 4 players from Adamson having double figures. Dito naman sa kabila, Jenko Lee, 25, Soltones with 13, and Rosas with 11.
This is just kept alive by alertness by Adamson. Just so gracefully gliding on the floor. They're so much fun to watch when they play defense. Really. Parang when you watch Sheila Pineda, it's such an easy game for her.
Oh. May mga ganong players kasi. Sa
Maliit
ibang
pa.
sports, sa basketball, may mga graceful tignan.
Oo.
Pare-pareho lang namang layup. Pare-pareho lang naman open hit.
Meron
diba?
lang talagang
May iba with flair.
Yep.
Yung iba with grace.
or with power, no? Diba?
Oo, iba with power.
Meantime, it's 18-14. San Sebastian and Clint Malazo, you heard him say, palalayuin pa ba natin yan? And just, they're in dire straits. Nasa malalim na tubig na ho sila. 14-18 ang count natin. Istana has been steady. Benting, go to your source of points. Why not?
Especially at this point for and Zach Boli. Parang bull. Talagang lumusok. Pero that was out. Too much power in those spins.
Bola na Mikasa pinulot sa Bangkok. Live. 19-14. Is this Pisa? Yes. Always coming in to serve. He's service-oriented, I tell you.
At parang iniiwan naman niya ni Coach Sherwin sa depensa. Well, that time, nobody there. Pisa was just so much in front.
And so Teresa Pisa needing some help there. In the meantime, let's go to Gretchen Soltones. Tough set. Ginawa ng paraan. Walid sends it to the back row. Two-handed set, that is. Crisostomo. Wally rejected.
Once again, the defense of Adamson making them earn that point.
Watch this, huh? You know, Makatuno. Jennifer Makatuno is only 5 feet 3 inches tall, but when she jumps with Pao Soriano, she feels like 6'3".
And plus, she has 39 excellent sets so far. Crisostomo having 21.
Touch of the net ball against Adamson, and it is 16-20. Trish Crisostomo. Pineda, power. Labiano. Tusok yun. Kanina pa gusto ni Sheila yun eh.
Sheila Pineda, that's how we always see her. Yung medyo malayo sa net, cross-court hit.
Mahirap. Mas mahirap yung kaysa sa malapit sa net actually.
Kasi si Sheila Pineda, marunong din magbasa yan eh. May cross-court hit, merong down the line.
Good point, yes. Walid, tinaas lang talaga ni Sheila.
At meron dig.
Ito, ayaw mo sayangin kung Adamson ka. Ayaw mo sayangin kung Adamson ka.
Well, Jen Coley had too much in mind at that last play.
Totoo yan. Alam mo, pagkaganda nung pick-up nung kakampi mo, no? Ayaw mo sayangin. Pero ito, let's listen to Baste.
Laki, may isa-isa. Ha? Kanina, hindi mo dapat ibinigay ng size sa open. Sige lang. Isa-isa lang natin, ha? 4 na. 4.
Oo, tatlo lang. Ay,
Sige. Ah,
Papasok sa
huwag mo may
net,
ikot
ha?
kung nakaredy yan sa 4, ha? Maliit ang block na ito.
Ito yung huli, pagkakahuli. Yun. It all started on the other side with the pick-up by, the dig-up by Sheila Pineda. Babae talaga pag nagturuan, may paluan, may kurutan, may tulakan. Wala. Women just know. Okay, nicely done. In the pocket.
Right. Gitnang-gitna ng depensa ng Adamson yung bolang yun. Nobody there. Although they tried.
Let's go again with Jonah Corpus. Pisa. Palo! Sunurin!
And Bang once again, she likes it that way. Malayo-layo sa net, she takes another one.
Pisa is thrown out by Guevara, and it's now could be just a matter of time before Adamson notches its first official win in the quarterfinals. Ang format natin, Mosi, top 2 in each group, no?
Yep.
Move forward to the crossover semifinals.
Yung pair crossover. Oh, and Sue Roses making it look so easy.
Naisip si Angela Benting kasi she was so close to it actually. 18-23. Guevara. Pineda has been digging so well. It's the position of her hands that makes it so special actually.
And look at her go. Depensa, tapos siya pa rin ang depensa. Napakahirap gawin nun.
Time to ice or get things back in perspective. Sherwin Meneses calls this inspire.
Pag-receive. Receive ka na. Okay ba? Okay. Stress. Ibang stress. Huwag mo nang iniwas. Tandaan mo lang kung ano. Kasi receive. Walang receive. Okay na to si Ping. Stress ka pa rin. Fire. Awis ang block. Pero pag may receive, atake. Stress yan. Atake mo yan. Stress na yan.
Tama tayo sa parte. Isa lang.
Shakey's V-League TV schedule, Saturday, 12:45. Just after the news, the Lady Eagles face the Arellano Lady Chiefs. Power game, if there ever was one. We're at 19:23. Ano na yan? Street smarts na yan?
Sheila Pineda, sunod-sunod ang putos dito towards the end of the 4th set. So we are now at match point.
Ay, gusto ko nang umuwi. Gusto ko magbilang ng hair clip. Okay, but she's just played so well. You're so correct. And that's so honest. So she said, as always, calls this time out just to make sure everybody's on the right page.
Receive natin. Dito. Yan. Dito, receive. Dito. Higit kita yan pa. Di pa rin. Main ko
good slice of coaching, and talking even of the personnel on the floor that he's anticipating in terms of the blocking. Watch this play. Hello.
All he needs is one good play. And pwede nang umuwi.
Pwede mag-shakies. 24-20. Lambot ng serve. Benting. Wally. Labiano. Pineda.
Sa pa uli, Angela Benting.
Basta trying to be steadfast.
Take 3 for Angela.
Uwi na nga tayo. And Angela Benting, ginulo yung buhok. Pa at messes up the do of Angela Benting. Okay, do anything except touch that. Then it's been a nice, entertaining game. Watch our shake and play. When we come back, Rina Villamor chats with our best player of the game. Okay, it's time to wrap up our first game in our schedule today. 25-21, 25-20, 23-25, 25-20. Winning score of Adamson. Mosey, who's our best player?
Well, you know, our best player for today, alam mo, si Pineda played a good game, but itong batang to played an all-around game, and Rina will introduce her to us.
That's right, our Shakey's best player is no other than Angela Benting. First of all, congratulations sa team niyo, Angela. Katulad ng sabi sa akin ni Coach Shem Meneses kanina, kailangan sa lahat ng games niyo may mga improvements kayong nagagawa. Sa tingin mo, ano pa yung mga improvements na pwede naming ma-expect sa inyo sa Lady Falcons sa mga susunod yung laro?
Siguro kanina sa game ko, lalo kami sa blocking. Kasi medyo nahuli pa. Hindi pa namin nahuli yung mga ibang plays ng mga kalaban. Tsaka minsan nawawala pa kami sa receive. Tapos, konting consistency.
At dahil ikaw ang ating Shakey's